Prince of Wales, 72, could pay the hefty rent costs to his eldest son the Duke of Cambridge, 39, if he opts to keep his Highgrove home in Gloucestershire when he succeeds Elizabeth II to the throne. The Mail on Sunday has revealed that the change in royal living arrangements are set to coincide with a more radical overhaul of the royal estate after Her Majesty passes away. The slimming down of the firm reportedly includes opening up London-based residences to the public, turning Balmoral into a museum for Queen Elizabeth II and moving the Cambridges into Windsor Castle. According to the tabloid, the Duke of Cornwall is not keen on moving into the royals' Berkshire home given its close proximity to Heathrow Airport. A friend of Charles reportedly said, "Charles is not keen on Windsor because it is quite noisy. His view is that if he's heading to Windsor, he may as well carry on to Highgrove in Gloucestershire." According to Heathrow's website, more than 200,000 passengers flew aboard the airport's 1,300 flights every day in 2018. However, when Charles becomes king, his home in the Cotswolds will automatically fall into his son's hands as he inherits the Duchy of Cornwall from his father. The change in title would therefore force the Prince of Wales to hand over money for rent. The Mail on Sunday also claimed the Cambridges could inherit the Prince of Wales' Carmarthenshire home Cloynerwermod and Anmer Hall in Norfolk. But it has even been reported that Charles could opt to change the firm's living arrangements at Buckingham Palace. It is believed the royals' London home, which is currently undergoing renovations costing an estimated £369 million, will be opened up to the general public all year round. Despite what everybody thinks about him not wanting to live there, he will certainly have accommodation there, but it will be a much more modest flat above the shop situation akin to that of the Prime Minister at Downing Street, a source supposedly claimed. Both the Prince and the Duchess of Cornwall are very practical and see that the reigning monarch must live at Buckingham Palace, otherwise it would become like Hampton Court. Prior to Megxi, Clarence House had been marked out as a potential home for Prince Harry and the Sussexes. But with the estranged Sussexes living stateside, a source close to the royals has claimed members of the firm aren't too keen on moving in after Charles. No one is terribly fond of Clarence House because it's still seen very much as the Queen Mother's place, they said. Clarence House had previously been the London home of the Queen Mother until she passed away in 2002 aged 101.